Reading Eggs is used by millions of families, promising to teach kids to read through games and songs. But is it actually an educational tool? Or just a flashy game that teaches kids to guess at buttons? I tested the full 2026 program to see if it creates real literacy skills or it's just another screen addiction. All right, so let's start with a quick program overview. Reading Eggs is a structured online reading program used by kids ages 2 to 13. It covers phonics, comprehension, vocabulary, and spelling through interactive activities, stories, and songs. Lessons combine animated instructional videos with a variety of fun learning exercises like solving puzzles, mixing ingredients in a play kitchen, and even stringing beads to create bracelet designs. Reading Eggs Junior is for toddlers and preschoolers ages 2 to 4 who are just learning their letters. The main Reading Eggs program helps kids ages 3 to 7 who are mastering phonics. Reading Express is designed for elementary students ages 7 to 13, building advanced reading and spelling skills. Finally, Fast Phonics is an accelerated program focused on phonics and blending sounds. It's actually quite different from the main game. It uses more of a building block method. Kids climb 20 different mountain peaks with a Yeti character, focusing heavily on decoding skills like segmenting and blending words. Each lesson unlocks a new set of books using only the words your child has already mastered, which really boosts confidence. After every 10 lessons, children take a quiz that generates a progress report that you can review. The program gamifies learning as kids earn certificates and golden eggs they can redeem for in-game prizes. They aren't just earning arbitrary points either. Those golden eggs are a currency kids use to shop in the plaza to buy clothes for their avatar or furniture for their digital house. It sounds silly, but the little in-game economy is a surprisingly powerful motivator that teaches basic saving and spending while they learn to read. To build interest in reading, the program includes over 4,000 storybooks organized by genre. One thing I really appreciated is that Reading Eggs keeps kids reading constantly rather than merely playing games. Even Math Seeds, their supplementary math program, integrates digital books that reinforce concepts. Now let's talk pricing. Reading Eggs' standard reading plan costs about $10 a month, and they offer a 30-day free trial so you can test it out. For the best value, you can pay about $70 up front for the annual plan, which comes out to under $6 a month. They also offer a reading and math combo package for about $8 a month, and a homeschool package including extra teaching resources for about $25 a month. On the plus side, you can add up to 4 children per subscription. One more note about pricing is that we see a lot of Reading Eggs promotions circulating online. We try to keep our page updated with the best coupon codes out there, so be sure to check out the description below for the best deals before purchasing. Now that I've explained how Reading Eggs works, let me talk about what works really well. First, the research-based phonics instruction uses methods that have been proven effective. Parents report that even struggling readers and children with special needs often make significant progress within weeks of using the program. With around 90% of parents reporting improved reading skills after using Reading Eggs, the results speak for themselves. Second, the accurate placement tests personalize learning. Each child can jump straight into the exact next step they need to work on, reducing frustration and boredom. This is huge because nothing kills a child's motivation faster than working on material that's either too easy or too hard. Next up, the engaging maps and rewards keep kids wanting to learn. According to some parents, their children actually prefer Reading Eggs over TV time. The constant certificates and golden eggs really do work to keep kids coming back. I also feel like the bonus features provide a lot of bang for your buck. Beyond the core lessons, the program includes hundreds of printable worksheets, certificates, and thousands of digital storybooks with comprehension quizzes. Plus, the option to add Math Seed subscription means you're getting a ton of educational content for the price. And to be clear, Math Seeds isn't just a tacked-on minigame. It is a full 200-lesson curriculum for ages 3 to 9 that covers everything from counting and shapes to currency and measurement. It uses the same map-based progression as the reading program, so if your kid loves the format of Reading Eggs, they will likely take to the math lessons just as easily. Finally, if you're homeschooling, this is where Reading Eggs really shines. The curriculum-aligned reading and math instruction makes it easy to assign lessons and track progress so you always know where your child stands. The homeschooling reporting is incredibly granular too. It estimates your child's reading age and lexile level based on their quiz performance. You can see exactly which phonics sounds they're struggling with, which lets you print out specific worksheets to target those weak spots offline. These physical resources complement the structured curriculum, and you can even record your child's reading to hear how they're actually doing. You'll also get access to the teacher toolkit with curriculum guides and maps. Of course, Reading Eggs isn't perfect. Here's what could be better. First, the heavily gamified approach doesn't work for every family. This may come down to personal parenting preference. There's nothing inherently wrong with making learning fun, but in an age where kids already face heavy screen time, I understand parents' concerns about inadvertently sparking future video game habits. Some families may prefer more traditional book-based learning methods, and Reading Eggs may feel too game-like for their comfort. Second, the click-based games may unintentionally promote guessing rather than genuine comprehension. I'll be candid about my experience here. I sometimes found myself simply clicking through games without really thinking deeply about the answers, relying on visual cues and patterns instead of phonics skills. I think including more fill-in-the-blank activities or typing exercises would definitely require kids to think through their answers more carefully. But at least the regular quizzes and progress trackers do provide a baseline level of accountability. Parents will need to spot check their child's work occasionally to ensure real learning is happening. Another area where they could improve is that the activities may feel overly repetitive for advanced readers or older elementary students. I consider Reading Eggs a safe bet for younger children ages 3 to 7 and a possible fit for older students, depending on their reading level and patience with repetition. Finally, the program requires parent guidance for consistency. While Reading Eggs is significantly cheaper than a private tutor, it does require some involvement to make sure your child is progressing. I'd set some reading goals and balance your app time with physical books. This helps you build a real reading habit, not just an app habit. Okay, it's time for my final verdict. Is Reading Eggs worth it? For families with preschoolers and early elementary children needing a step-by-step phonics curriculum, and even older kids who still need foundational reading support, my answer is a clear yes. The research-based phonics instruction actually delivers. There's a reason it's used by millions of families. A majority of parents report improved reading skills after using the program. With an extensive digital library, interactive lessons that keep kids engaged, and detailed progress reports that show exactly where your child stands, Reading Eggs is one of the best phonics apps for kids I've tested. Reading Eggs does need some improvement. I'd include more fill-in-the-blank activities to prevent guessing. Also, the gamified approach won't appeal to every family, and older readers may find the content too simple. So, who is Reading Eggs best for? Homeschooling families wanting a guided literacy curriculum with easy lesson assignments and progress tracking will find it invaluable. It's also perfect for kids who enjoy interactive games and storybooks. Bottom line here, Reading Eggs delivers a well-rounded literacy program at a reasonable price for any child needing reading support. Anyway, I know that was a lot of info, so for a full comparison chart of every price and feature, Google Test Prep Insight Reading Eggs Review. And remember, we give away a free Kids Learning App subscription every month. To enter, just drop a comment below. Let me know which one you're leaning toward. If this helped, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.